Namaste everyone. In previous lecture I covered till 1.3. So now exercise 1.4 of set theory. Going to explain Venn diagrams. See, we learned how to find A union B, we learned how to find A intersection B, we learned how to find complement of A, we learned how to find the difference of two sets. These all the things now we are going to learn through Venn diagram. So first we need to understand what is the Venn diagram. This is the relationship between sets. We can represent through a diagrams. That is called the Venn diagram. Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagrams, which are known as Venn diagrams. These diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curves. Closed curve means we usually take circle. The rectangle represents universal set and the circle represents subsets. So look at here Venn diagram. This one A union B, this is the A intersection B. A union B means there are two sets. See, this is the rectangle, right? This is the U. This is the A, the smaller one. The bigger one is B. So A union B means all elements of A and B. All elements of A and B. So you need to shade A and B both circle. Means you have taken all elements of A and B, that is called the A union B. Similarly now A intersection B means only common values in A and B. That set is called A intersection B. So A, this is the smaller one A, bigger one B, which is the common value. Look at here, this part, the shaded part is the common. So that is called A intersection B. Now complement of A. Complement of A means what? U minus A means all elements of U which does not lie in A. All elements of U which does not lie in A. So means A is not included. When you will write complement of A, elements of A is not included. Okay, if you want to write complement of B, elements of B not included. If you want to write complement of C, so elements of C not included. So look at here, that's why we have not shaded A. All elements of U, you will take all elements of U except elements which lie in, which do not lie in A. Okay. Now next one, disjoint sets. Disjoint set means intersection of A and B equal to phi, no elements. So no elements common, so you will not set anything. Now A minus B. A minus B means what? Element of A. There are two sets are given, A and B. So A minus B means all elements of A but do not belong from B. Okay, so B elements, see the shaded part also, this one, this is the shaded, this is the common elements. So these elements common in A and B, so you will not take, only you will take element of A which do not belong to B. Now B minus A. B minus A means what? Again all elements of B which do not belong to A. This one, this is also B minus A, means you have to shed all elements B. Okay, B elements are shaded, B parts shaded, but the common, which is the elements which is common in A and B, you are not supposed to shed. Similarly, now B minus A over here, B minus is also same thing. This is what A minus B, this is what B minus B, and this common part is the A intersection B. Here this is the subset, right? A is the subset of B. Like now now we come to now some important results over here. When A and B are disjoint sets, then A union B will be equal to NA plus NB. Result number 2, for any sets A and B, for any sets A and B, prove that A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA into B. These are all the results we are going to apply somewhere, to solve the problems. Result number 3, for any sets A, B, C, prove that A union B, number of A union B union C equal to NA plus NB plus NC plus A and N of A intersection B intersection C minus N A intersection B plus N B intersection C plus N A intersection C. So left hand side, and you need to rearrange like this: A union B took together. Okay, open, apply the formula for A union B. Means this is what A union B, you have to take you have to consider one element, and in union C. So let us consider A union B is equal to what? A, and C is what? B. So you have to consider like that, and then apply the formula. So N A union B plus NC minus N A union B intersection C. Now A union B is equal to what? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B plus NC. Now you can write A intersection C union B intersection C. This is the theorem. Now again NA plus NB, bring NC inside, plus NC minus NA intersection B. Now here NA intersection C plus NB intersection C minus, means we are considering A intersection as A and B intersection as B. So A union B, you have to consider like that, and then apply the formula. So A union B is equal to what? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So A means what? A intersection C, intersection B means what? B intersection C. Now look at here, the first bracket will be the same, there is no changes over here. Now open this bracket, NA intersection C minus N intersection B intersection C plus N A intersection C intersection B intersection C will be equal to A intersection B intersection C. Now we got the result, just rearrange, proved. Now we are going to do exercise question number 1. Find the union of each of the following pair of sets. Union A, E, I, O, U. This is the A, B is equal to what? A, B, C. What I already have told you, A union B means what? Like LCM, all common elements and non-common elements you have to take. So A is a common, only A common. So you have to write once, and other numbers, other elements also you have to copy. E, I, O, U, B, C. So this is the A union B. Now third one, it's written in the question number 1 second part. It's written in the roster. Now set builder, third part. X such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 12. Just write down multiple means what? Table you have to write. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 and so on. B is equal to all x is a natural number less than 6. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so how you will write A union B? A union B also you have to write in set builder form only. So it will be equal to 1 2 4 5 and or multiple of 3. Or why we are using the word OR? OR means OR indicates union and indicates intersection, and means common, or means non-common value also, means like union. So 1 2 4 5 or multiple of 3 means all values which are multiple of 3 you have to write over here. Question number 2. A given AB, B, ABC is A subset B. Yes. The reason is that all elements of B belong to B, set B. So this is the A is the subset of B. Now we have to write A union B. So A union B will be equal to AB is the AB is common, A and B common, and C uncommon value. So A, B, C you have to write. Question number 4. 1 2 3 4, A given, B given 3 4 5 6, C given 5 6 7 8, D given 7 8 9 10. Find A union B union C. So first you find A union B. A union B is equal all elements of A and B you have to write. Common values you have to write once, non-common value also you have to copy. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the A union B. Now C, A union B union C. Now this is the A union B. Now this set you have to find the union of this set with C. So C means what? 5 6 7 8. So 5 6 common, look at here, this is the 5 6, here also 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Question number 6. A equal to 3 5 7 9 11, B is equal to 7 9 11 13, C equal to given, D given. You have to find ninth part. The remaining parts you have to do as homework. A intersection B intersection B union C. So A intersection B, first you find A intersection B. 7 common, 9 common, 11. Intersection means only common value, 7 9 11. Now find B union C. B union C means B and C common and uncommon value you have to write, and then find the intersection of this and this. So 7 9 common and 11 is also common. So 7 9 11. Question number 9. Question number 9. 3 6 9 12, sorry, 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 and B given, C given, D given, 4 sets are given. You have to find A minus B. A minus B means you have to write all elements of A. All elements of A which do not belong to B. So let me find how many elements of A which is common with B. 4 8 12, no 12, 3 6 9, 12 is the common, correct? 12 is the common. So 3 6 9 15 18 21, only 12 is the common. Means if you want to find difference A minus B, write all elements of A except common value. Okay, understand, like in this way, except common value. Now D minus A, you have to write all elements of D, all elements of D except common value. Means you have to remove the common value. You need to find the common value of A and D, common elements of A and D, and remove from D. So I think 5 10 15 is the common in both A and D. So you have to remove 15 from D and other elements you have to copy. B minus C. Now all elements of B except common, all elements of B except common elements. Now 10, again x minus y, so all elements of x which do not belong to y. Now intersection, common value 1.5. Question number 1, all the problem based on complement. So if you want to write complement of any set, you should have universal set, you should have universal set. U given, elements A given, B given, C given, all three sets, there are total 4 sets are given, universal set A, B and C. Find the complement of A. So complement of A means U minus A, and already you have learned how to find the difference. U A minus all elements of U, all elements of U except common element. Okay, so how, see, look at here, 1 is the common, 2 common, 3 common, 4 common. So you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 from U. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 you have to write. Now A, complement of A union C. So first you find A union C. A union C equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now complement of this will be U minus A union C. Means these all elements you have to remove from U. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6 you have to remove from universal set. Then you will get 7, 8, 9. That will be the complement. Sixth, in complement of B minus C. So first you find B minus C. B minus C, all elements of B which do not belong to C. So 2, 8, 4, 6 is the common in both B and C. So you have to remove. Now complement of B complement of B minus C. So U minus B minus C. So all elements of B minus C you have to remove from U. So 2, 8 you have to remove, other elements you have to copy. Complement of A. So U minus complement of A. That will be equal to A only. Question number 4, universal set given, set A given, B given, verify. You have to verify, same thing we are going to do over here. Complement of A union B equal to complement of A intersection complement of E. This is also one of the result, important result. A union B equal to, first you find A union B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you find complement of A union B. So U minus A union B. You will get 1, 9. Now you got left hand side. Now find the right hand side. So to find right hand side, first you find complement of A, then find complement of B, and then find complement of A intersection B. Complement of A intersection complement of B, that is 1, 9. Look at here, both are equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Thank you so much.